Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC I got a 2016 Kia Sedona with a 3.3 motor. It's V6. So on this we're going to go over how you would check and add brake fluid to your vehicle. We want to make sure that our brake fluid stays within the operating range. We don't want to go too low, because you go too low then you're going to get air in the system, and if you get air in the system then your brakes don't function properly. Another thing is you're going to want to, it will gradually go down as you use the brakes over time, because as they continue to fill those calipers and the calipers come back and don't come back because you wore the brakes down, then it is going to slowly go down. But if it's going down a lot faster, well, then you're going to want to be looking for any other type of brake leaks or brake fluid to be leaking. But we're going to top this off. So number one, we're going to make sure we have this as clean as we can around here. Also, you see the brake fluid is very hard to see where the level is. So if you take a flashlight and put it to the side, we can see that our level is down here when our max line is all the way up here. So, but we've gone ahead and clean this off the best you can with a rag or a paper towel. And then we're going to remove the cap by just twisting it a quarter turn to the left. And then it says to take .3 or 4, and I've got a fresh container of brake fluid, just a fresh container to be open, of some .4, and then with that light still sitting there we can just add some brake fluid and watch it and see our level as it comes up. So we've topped off our brake fluid. We've brought this up to the line here. This is the max line. We've got this light here holding so we can see where it's filled, because when it's without it's pretty hard to see. But if you put a light up to the side, you can see the fill level. And so we're up to the line there, so we're going to put the cap back on and just tighten it up. And it's always recommended that you use your brake fluid from a freshly opened container when you're filling it, so that you can keep as little moisture. You don't want to have moisture in your fluid, and for whatever reason brake fluid likes to attract some moisture. So that's why it's recommended to use a full one or a new bottle. So that's how you add your brake fluid to your vehicle, especially on this Kia Sedona. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.